So I'm in a Microsoft Word page, and suppose if in your Microsoft document you can see that this is the beginning of a document, and suppose if my cursor is here, for example I am placing the cursor here, and suppose if I want to select the text from this beginning of the document to the place where my cursor these places, if I want to select the text from the beginning of document up to my cursor, then I can use a keyboard shortcut, that is and this is the control key, and this is the shift key, and this is the home key. So if you press this control key, shift key and home key, these three keys at the same time, then you can see that we have selected this much. As we have selected the text between the cursor and beginning of document. For more you can subscribe.